What is that? Alright, let's open it. You want to open it? We are here. Nice. Alright. I think we gotta go park in the back. As you can see right there, that is Mickey's car. How mint is that? Damn, that is one of the cleanest M4s. We are here at MK Motorsports, and I'm really excited to tell you that I've decided to partner up with MK Motorsports, my long and good friend Mickey. We're going to be teaming up on building my EG K20 Civic project. It is going to be a killer car when it's all said and done. This car in particular is going to be about giving back to the community. Everyone who'd like to get on board with the project, feel free to send me a message. We're going to go partner up with absolutely everyone. Get a load of this. So, which one would you guys take? M4 or Audi RS3? I gotta say, this thing looks killer. Check out those HRE wheels. This thing is insane. What a machine. Damn, that is sick. Alright guys, we are off to Cambria Bodyworks. So we are back at Cambria Bodyworks, and today I'm going to be handing over a few parts for my EG. I'm going to go grab those parts right now. I've got a box here. If you guys can leave a comment below as to what you think this may be for my EG. Got all this shit here. Alright, let's try and grab this out. What is this? Ah, true. Alright. Okay, so we got these two parts here that are going on my EG. What is that? Alright, let's open it. You want to open it? No. Here we go, moment of truth.
Nah bro, we're not putting these on your car.
Are you sure?
No.
They look sick, bro. Tough. Oh, this shit.
It's even broken, bro. That's not going on your car. I'm not allowing that to go on your car. Nah, it's not fucking happening.
Alright, we're gonna go sell those now. What do you reckon?
Rubbish, son. No, it's rubbish.
It looks shit, yeah. Now the car is pretty much ready to go for primer, and once it gets done with its primer, it's gonna get painted. So all the dents have been gone, we flared out all the guards, we've made sure the car is prepped and all ready to go. So smooth sailing from here on. We're gonna go unbox the rest of these parts here at Cambria Bodyworks, and I'll see you guys real soon. So as you can see guys, the car is flat. It's all been covered up, all the guards have been flared. It's super wide now. And super thin. Even the back here, we flared them out completely. We're gonna fit some wide ass wheels on this thing. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see, but that looks so tough. There's not a single dent on this car anymore. Not one single dent at all. And the car's ready to go for primer next. So it is going to look crazy when it's all done.
It looks up here.
Hey, that looks tough.
See how much clearance you got to get.
Yeah. Heaps good. And these are running 205s. So we can chuck on a sick meaty tire for this. Hopefully these aren't as shit as the other ones. Damn. Backyard special. Genuine backyard special EG wing spoiler here.
Yeah. Hey, is this 2 pieces or 1 piece, this thing? Yeah, it's broken.
Is it? What? Legit?
Oh,
You're kidding.
oh, look at that.
Oh fuck, it's full
This is
broke.
second hand.
I think it must have broken when I was in the car.
That was broken when you bought it, bro.
You reckon?
Yeah. Look where they hit it.
Yeah, bad.
Yeah, it's not going on.
What do you reckon? So, this lip has been fully cracked right there. So we're gonna go repair it. Alright, here we go. Let's hope they look good.
5 boxes inside of 5 boxes.
Oh, sick. Right. Nah, they look good there.
That was awesome.
Oh, what a fit. Yeah, that looks sick. They match the wheels, bro. So we've all finished up at Cambria Bodyworks. Quick update, the car is tracking so well and it is moving really, really swiftly. Tomorrow it's going in for primer and then after that it's gonna get painted. So right now guys, we are heading over to the Hawthorne Weightlifting Club because I'm doing some volunteering work for my powerlifting team, so I'm going to be helping out there. I will see you guys real soon. Peace. This is about giving back to the community and making sure everyone's on board with this build. So it's going to be a great car because everyone in the community is going to